What's up, guys? It's Tia. Welcome to my channel. I decided that I wanted to do a Trader Joe's haul. So that's what we're gonna do. So when I go grocery shopping, I always make a list. And I find inspo on IG for like healthy meals and things like that. Clean Eat Mags. Highly recommend. So I spent $75. I probably would have spent $60 had I not picked up some things for my sister. So as far as for my household, I spent $60. And I got strawberries, lemons, apples, Honeycrisp apples. My apples. I got this core device from Dollar Tree, and like you press it down over the apple and it creates slices and it takes the core out. Game changer. So for breakfast or snacks, I use the core piece and cut up an apple, and I do like a drizzle of this honey almond butter from Walmart, and I sprinkle it with cinnamon, and it's so good. Highly recommend. Got some kiwis. I'm going to cut these open. I cut them in half, and I take a spoon and I scoop out the insides, and then I slice it. I keep a bag of potatoes on hand just for like the extra side with any of the dishes that I cook if we like need something extra. So Dutch yellow potatoes. I got a bunch of asparagus. One red onion. I always like to keep one on hand because they tend to be a good addition to like fresh meals. Eggplant Parmesan dish with this that I came up with one day, and it's so good, so good. A bunch of bananas, one bunch. See, in English, cucumber. Caesar dressing. It's gonna be a first time trying this. Ranch. I want to say I had this years ago. I really don't remember how it tasted, but I'm sure it'll be fine. Spinach mix, Caesar salad mix, eggs, chicken tenderloins. I got 2 packs. One pack of ground turkey. I got some goat milk cheese, and from that Clean Eats page, I want to like sear it, slice it and sear it as like a breakfast option. I'll let y'all know if I like it or not. I'm revisiting this. When I went natural, this was like all the rave. And I don't know why I stopped getting it. My hair loved it. It's like really tingly on your scalp. I think it promotes hair growth. Does it promise that? It don't promise that, but from what I remember, it was a really good shampoo and conditioner set. So I'm gonna revisit this. And that's it for my Trader Joe's haul. I'm gonna show y'all one more thing. I got some lamb chops from Albert's. Cost me $30 for 3 packs. And I got another cut of lamb just because my family really likes it. So this is, it might be shoulder, yeah, shoulder blade. And if you ever had gyro or gyro, this is what it tastes like. From Walmart, I get these out of the frozen food section. It's like gluten-free chicken bites, chicken fed, a vegetarian diet, no artificial ingredients or preservatives, no preservatives. So good. And you can put it in the air fryer, y'all. So I just put like a few pieces in the air fryer, and I'm gonna have that on salad like 1 or 2 days this week. I'm gonna have a Caesar salad one day for lunch, and I'm gonna do lamb chops one day with the eggplant parmesan on the side. I'm going to do a garlic butter chicken with those chicken tenderloins, and I'm gonna have like lemon asparagus on the side. Might do some of those potatoes. So yes, that's everything. I just wanted to share it. If you like this video, make sure to like it, leave me a comment, let me know what you get from Trader Joe's, what meals you're doing this week, if you inspired by any of the ideas that I had, and let's see, subscribe, of course. So like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I think that's it. So yeah, I'll see y'all later.